Are you a Salesforce user, and did you ever wish that you had a platform that allows you to source prospects, reach out to leads, and manage customer accounts while creating sequences, close deals, and analyzing your sales performance? Well, with ZELIQ's newest Salesforce integration, all of this is possible. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to connect Salesforce with ZELIQ and how to make the best of it in order to streamline your sales processes, enhance your customer relationship management, and boost your overall sales performance. Without any further ado, let's go. First and foremost, in order to connect your Salesforce account to ZELIQ, you have to follow these steps. You have to go to the ZELIQ platform. On the left sidebar, click on your account name. After this, select integrations. And now in the CRM section, you have to click on Connect next to the Salesforce icon. Please note that the CRM section in the Settings integration menu will only be visible if you have an admin role. So you have to make sure that your user account has all of these necessary admin privileges to be able to access this section. So just keep that in mind. This step allows you, by the way, to connect your Salesforce account to ZELIQ and then select if you want to synchronize your leads or contacts, do your mapping, and start syncing your Salesforce data seamlessly. And now let's see some of the features that the Salesforce integration allows you to do on ZELIQ. To optimize your workflows with the Salesforce integration and streamline sales processes in ZELIQ, we at ZELIQ sync contacts or leads seamlessly. Salesforce contacts and leads are automatically imported into ZELIQ, providing a consolidated view. Leads added to ZELIQ can be enriched to include phone numbers and email addresses, with this data pushed back to Salesforce, which ensures that you have up-to-date contact information across both platforms. Leads added through ZELIQ, whether through our search database or our LinkedIn extension, can also be synchronized into Salesforce. So we have this bi-directional integration, which really enhances your efficiency and makes sure that you have comprehensive data management between ZELIQ and Salesforce. When you use the Salesforce integration on ZELIQ, you can also automate and outreach by creating and scheduling email sequences, LinkedIn messages, and phone calls using your data from Salesforce, all within the ZELIQ platform. Optimize workflows. To enhance your workflows using the Salesforce integration, you can also streamline your sales processes in ZELIQ. So this involves minimizing manual data entry and ensuring that your CRM data remains current and actionable. Send contacts directly from LinkedIn and Sales Navigator. By easily adding new leads to ZELIQ directly from LinkedIn and Sales Navigator with just a few clicks, this smooth integration lets you import contacts instantly, so you will never miss out on a chance to connect with potential clients. Leads added to ZELIQ will be then automatically pushed to your Salesforce account, which keeps all of your data up to date. If you sync all of your contacts from Salesforce to ZELIQ, we will then highlight leads that are already in your CRM in green on both LinkedIn and Sales Navigator, ensuring efficient management and avoiding duplicate entries. When using this Salesforce CRM integration, you can also utilize ZELIQ's automated data health feature to easily identify duplicates in your Salesforce account, which helps you to keep your data clean and, again, well organized. With the Salesforce integration, you can also use ZELIQ's advanced analytics to track the effectiveness of your sales campaigns, measure engagement, and gain insights to improve your strategies. So now that you know how to use Salesforce and ZELIQ together, make sure to take full advantage of them by signing up for ZELIQ using the link in the description box below. And if you also want to know how to use email sequencing within ZELIQ, make sure to watch this video next.